Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the 5th position. And as you can see right here, we've got some options which are connected with the date and time, but we cannot change it. So first of all, we have to turn off the automatic date and time, which are nowhere provided. So simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see right now, we can freely tap on the date, and just by swiping pick the date we want to use. We can set the time again by swiping, tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. We can also change the time zone. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I believe we've picked something like 8 o'clock, 8:30. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all, and you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher and tap on the switcher to use automatic date and time, but be aware that the time zone you have to pick manually. It unfortunately is not automatic. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.